Income under the head Salaries introductory lecture. Salaries consist of three sections. Section 15 is a charging section. Section 16 talks about deductions from the salary, and section 17 discusses about salary and allowances, perquisites and profit in lieu of salary. There has to be an employer-employee relationship for charging income under the head salaries. Let us see section 15, which is a charging section. Income from salaries is taxable on accrual basis. Any salary due from an employer or former employer, whether paid or not. Income from salary is also taxable on payment basis. Any salary paid or allowed to him in the previous year by or on behalf of an employer or a former employer, though not due or before it became due, that is salary received in advance. In short, income from salary is taxable on due or receipt basis, whichever is earlier, and the same income cannot be taxed twice in any year. That means if income from salary is taxed in 1 year on due basis, it cannot again be taxed on receipt basis if it is received in any other subsequent year. Any bonus, salary, commission or remuneration due to or received by a partner from a partnership firm shall not be regarded as salary. It is taxable under the head profit and gains from business or profession. Salaries received by Member of Parliament, Member of Legislative Assembly and Member of Legislative Council are taxable under the head income from other sources. Section 16 talks about deduction from salaries. The following are the deductions from salaries. Standard deduction of rupees 50,000 or the amount of salary whichever is less. Entertainment allowance which is equal to 1/5 of the salary or rupees 5,000 whichever is less. Profession tax or tax on employment. This differs from one state to another. So if you go to see, salary is covered in section 15, 16 and 17 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Section 15 is a charging section which was discussed earlier. Section 17(1) discusses about salaries and components of salaries. Section 17(2) discusses about perquisites, which are benefits which come in addition to an employee's regular salary. And Section 17(3) discusses about profit in lieu of salary, which will be discussed in detail in the subsequent videos. You deduce from that standard deduction which is dealt in section 16(1)(a), entertainment allowance as per section 16(2) and profession tax as per section 16(3). After that, what you get is called income under the head salaries. The detail of these components will be discussed in the subsequent videos. Thank you. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.